Hey everyone, welcome back. I'm Shakil, and today we've got something special for all you aspiring web developers out there. If you're a beginner looking to dive into HTML projects in 2024, you're in the right place. We've compiled a list of 10 plus exciting projects to help you sharpen your HTML skills. So, let's jump right in. Project 1. Personal Portfolio Website. First up, create your personal portfolio website. Showcase your skills, projects, and experiences to impress potential employers or clients. We'll cover the essential HTML elements and structure needed for an effective portfolio. Project 2. Responsive Landing Page. Next, let's build a responsive landing page. In today's mobile-centric world, creating web pages that look great on all devices is crucial. We'll explore HTML and CSS techniques to make your landing page adapt seamlessly to different screen sizes. Project 3. Photo Gallery. For our third project, we'll dive into creating a photo gallery. Learn how to structure your HTML to display a collection of images in an organized and visually appealing way. Perfect for showcasing your photography skills. Project 4. To-Do List App. Now, let's get practical with a to-do list app. This project will introduce you to the basics of forms and user input in HTML. You'll create a simple to-do list with HTML and enhance it with CSS for a sleek look. Project 5. Interactive Quiz Game. Ready for a challenge? Let's build an interactive quiz game using HTML. This project will involve creating a set of questions and using HTML to structure the quiz. We'll explore how to handle user input and provide feedback based on their answers. Project 6. Product Showcase Page. Moving on, let's design a product showcase page. Learn how to structure product information and images to create an engaging web page. This project will help you understand the importance of well-organized content on an e-commerce site. Project 7. Blog Post Layout. For all the aspiring bloggers, our 7th project is creating a blog post layout. Dive into HTML to structure blog content effectively and explore how to incorporate images and other multimedia elements to make your blog visually appealing. Project 8. Weather App. Are you interested in integrating data into your projects? Let's build a simple weather app using HTML. Learn the basics of API integration and display real-time weather information on your web page. Project 9. Animated Navigation Menu. Spice up your websites with an animated navigation menu. In this project, we'll explore how to create a dynamic and visually appealing navigation menu using HTML and CSS. Impress your visitors with a modern and interactive design. Project 10. Social Media Feed. Last but not least, let's create a social media feed layout. Learn how to structure content in a way that mimics popular social media platforms. This project will give you insights into creating a visually attractive and responsive design. And there you have it, folks. 10 fantastic HTML projects to kickstart your web development journey in 2024. Whether you're a beginner or looking to sharpen your skills, these projects cover a range of topics to help you grow as a web developer. Don't forget to like this video. If you found it helpful, subscribe for more content and let me know in the comments which project you're most excited to try. Happy coding!